This is the Runoff waterproof wallet by Nite. Let's take a look at it out of the packaging. It's got their waterproof zippers, which are pretty cool. They don't have any metal. They're kind of friction welded, I guess, onto the material, and you just pull. Now they do come with this wipe, which is lubricant for the zipper. And if you're going to be using this in the water, that's one thing. If you're going to be using this in the desert like we do, to use this as a dust-proof wallet, then that lubricant might be different use case. So yeah, these things are made out of a very lightweight, very durable, welded materials. So they're very strong. They're essentially layers of one piece by the time they're all welded together. So everything's laser cut and very thin, really high tech. And this way you can have your keys, you can have some cash, you could have small items, and you have a couple of lanyard points. You have a nice, easy to use, silent and waterproof zipper, and you have a truly waterproof wallet from Nite called the Runoff. Hope this helps.